I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, inside the Fly Racing Helmet Garage. Oh, this one's absolutely amazing. This is the HJC RPHA 11 Pro Venom Helmet. This is a re-release. This helmet was released last year, and it sold out in record time. So they decided to bring back another production run. Once again, limited. This helmet's going to ship with a dark smoke and a clear visor. Some little stickers right here to kind of continue on that pattern off the top of the helmet if you want to do it. Great looking graphic. The movie's coming out. There's a lot of motorcycle riding in the movie, which is awesome to see. Get yours before they're gone. HJC RPHA 11 Pro Venom.